Welcome to everyone in my channel. Today I will talk about life and income protection. Let's start. In an unpredictable world, safeguarding our financial well-being is of paramount importance. Life and income protections are two critical aspects that individuals must consider to secure their future and the well-being of their loved ones. In this comprehensive guide, we'll delve into the importance of life and income protection, their key components, various types of coverage available, and the consideration that can help individuals make informed decisions to suit their unique needs. Understanding life protection. The significance of life protection, commonly known as life insurance, is a financial product designed to provide a monetary benefit to beneficiaries in the event of the insured person's death. It serves as a safety net to protect one's family and dependents from the financial consequences of losing the primary breadwinner. Types of life insurance. There are several types of life insurance policies, each catering to different needs and financial objectives. Term life insurance. Term life insurance provides coverage for a specific period such as 10, 20, or 30 years. The insured person passes away during the policy term, the beneficiaries receive the death benefit. It is cost-effective option for those seeking temporary coverage. Whole life insurance. Whole life insurance provides lifetime coverage and includes a cash value component that grows over time. This policy allows for long-term financial planning and can be used as an investment vehicle. Universal life insurance. Universal life insurance offers flexibility in premium payments and a cash value element, allowing policyholders to adjust their coverage and premium to suit changing circumstances. Determining coverage needs. Calculating the appropriate life insurance coverage requires consideration of various factors, including income replacement. The policy should provide sufficient funds to replace the insured's income, ensuring that dependents can maintain their lifestyle after the loss of the breadwinner. Debt and liabilities. Factoring in outstanding debts such as mortgage loans and credit card balances is essential to avoid leaving financial burdens on loved ones. Education expenses. If the insurer has children, funding their education is crucial. Life insurance can help ensure their education needs are met. Final expenses. Funeral and burial costs can be substantial, and life insurance can alleviate this financial burden for surviving family members. Estate planning. Life insurance can play a significant role in estate planning, providing liquidity to cover estate taxes or equalizing inheritance for beneficiaries. The importance of income protection. Income protection, also known as disability insurance or income replacement insurance, safeguards an individual's income in the event of disability that prevents them from working and earning an income. Types of income protection insurance. Short-term disability insurance. Short-term disability insurance typically covers disabilities that last for a few weeks to a few months. Long-term disability insurance. Long-term disability insurance covers more extended periods of disability, sometimes until retirement age, providing a steady income during the policy term. Determine income protection needs. When considering income protection, several factors should be taken into an account. Current income and expenses. Analyzing current income and expenses helps determine the necessary coverage level to maintain financial stability during a disability. Employment benefits. Understanding employer provided disability benefits is essential as they may affect the required coverage amount. Waiting period and benefit period. The waiting period is the time between the disability onset and when benefits begin, while the benefit period is the length of time benefits are paid. Policy features. Examining policy features such as partial disability coverage, inflation protection, and residual benefits can enhance the overall protection. Conclusion. Life and income protections are the cornerstones of a sound financial plan, providing peace of mind and security for individuals and their families. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more.